Hi there, I'm meteorologist Chikage Windler, and of course we're looking ahead to more warmth for your Friday, maybe some fog, perhaps a spritz or a sprinkle or a spot shower. And then Friday night into Saturday, rain, maybe even some thunderstorms. Earlier I had been thinking the most likely time frame for any strong to severe thunderstorms would be Saturday afternoon, but computer models seem to be changing. They seem to be bringing this front in a little quicker, which could mean the storms hit a little earlier. All right, so the first thing that we're looking at is the setup. Here's a surface map, and to our north is the cold front, which is diving down south through the plains, heading toward the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. That's going to bring the colder air in that filters in by Sunday. At the same time, out west in Southern California is an area of low pressure. This Pacific moisture is going to work its way from west east into West Texas, and that'll serve as a trigger for some storms once this cold front diving down south reaches Texas. This will all be taking place on Saturday. The question now is, will we see any of these storms turn severe? So I'll take you through a couple of computer models. This one, the first one, is looking at the GFS model. And as I advance through time, here's Friday midday, here's Friday evening, there's Friday around midnight, here's Saturday morning, and there's Saturday midday. And based on this new computer model update that came in, this evening, it now looks like the majority of the storm activity probably will stay along or north of the Austin area. Travis County points northward, may just barely get brushed by the storm activity, and the majority of the heavier activity stays well to our north. So just keep in mind also the timing looks a little earlier. Indeed, by noontime, the rain is sweeping to our east, and by afternoon and evening, we're clearing things out, and that's going to pave the way for a totally dry Sunday. The colder air trying to dip in Sunday and on into Monday. Now, this is the GFS model. Let's look at one other computer model real quick. This is the European computer model. And with this, I generally trust the European computer model even more so than the GFS model. Okay, so this is Friday morning, and again, we're watching this area of low pressure out in the Pacific come in, the colder air diving south, and here's the cold front, which you can basically kind of imagine right here in a line. So this is Friday middle of the day, could see some spotty showers. This is Friday evening, again just some spotty showers or drizzle. Friday night, okay, and here we are Saturday morning. You can see already pretty heavy storms out toward the Arklatex, but toward the Austin area in central Texas we could just be on the kind of a cusp of some storms. And then by Saturday midday, that's when it does dive all the way through much of central Texas and eastward toward Houston. Then as we head toward Saturday evening, again, we're dry. And finally, here's a look at the RPM computer model, which is showing how much precipitation we could see. And for the area into Austin, which would correspond to right about in here, you can see that if you head west into the hill country, you're in the green. Greens are probably less than a half an inch. On the other hand, there could be in any of those lines of storms that develop quick areas of heavy thunderstorms, which could drop a quick couple of inches, maybe. So if we do get any thunderstorms to fire, there could be some very heavy but beneficial rain. So based on what I'm seeing late tonight, I think that we'll probably see the best corridor of time for storms now looking to be before early afternoon. So from morning to early afternoon, and after that we dry out on Saturday. Sunday, cooler, highs only in the 50s. Same thing for Monday and Tuesday, Christmas Eve. Christmas Day, we pop up into the 60s again for highs with beautiful weather. Thursday, we might see a little bit of drizzle try to sneak in here. All right, have a good one. Thanks for watching.